Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Delta credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Delta credit card account, first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.delta.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Delta, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button. Go ahead and enter your credentials for your Delta SkyMiles account in order to get access to your credit card. Type in your SkyMiles number or your username that is registered while signing up for an account. Go ahead and type in your username or your SkyMiles number in the first text box in order to get access to your credit card account. Head over to the next field and type in your last name, and go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your login details, click on Forgot Login and you'll be able to get hold of your credentials, that is your SkyMiles number or your username, by following the on-screen prompts. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you type in your credentials and you'd like to log in, click on the login button in red and you'll be able to get access to your Delta credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.